Damn it! I feel like I'm playing Bloodborne again. No, 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 no. Damn it. Damn. I was so close on that one. Yeah, for level 6, I'm not doing half bad. Damn it! I was hoping they were gonna hit it up in the air. Look at them flips. Oh shit! There we go, I landed on my feet. Oh, I missed! I missed! Damn it! I gotta learn my placement. Nope. Nope. Damn it. I want to try to fly. No! No, 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 no. Damn it. Takashi says I'm hype as fuck, lol. That was a nice shot. Oh, I gotta say nice shot. Oh man, this is fun. Get up, get up, get up. No, 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 no. Seriously, okay, good. Get out of my face, fuck you! So you get! Whoops! Yeah! Get trounced! Didn't read that. I'm on the chat. I didn't even need all that boost. Alright. Yeah, suck it, Guzman. Oh shit. Asav's got this. Asav! Asav, what are you doing, mate? No, no, no! I forgot how to play all of a sudden! Damn. Get it! Oh shit! I'm gonna be too hyper to go to sleep now. Damn. Oh, no problem. Nice shot. Look at that. 18 seconds to spare. I gotta send Asav a friend request. Shit, I was hoping to kill somebody. No, Asav, get it, 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 oh shit. Oh well, at least they didn't score, right? Takahashi says that that Rocket League needle is now in your veins. I gotta get more, man. I gotta get more. Oh, who's got the better score? What's up, Ostov? Can I send him a friend request? I guess I can do it off stream. Well, guys, I gotta end the stream there anyways because I gotta go to bed. My RL. I'm gonna play this tomorrow. I'm playing tomorrow, guys. So join me for Rocket League tomorrow. Look at that score. MVP, level 6, level 7, rookie. Suck it. Yeah. I'm gonna exit so they can play some more. I hope you guys had fun. I sure as hell had fun. Hopefully my roommate's not pissed off right now. The hype train. The hype. So tomorrow we'll play more of that. If you guys want to play with me, let me know. Send me a message on PSN if you guys have my PSN. It's right down there in the corner, Dart14. Send me a message. I don't care. Do it. Do it. Do it. And Night Goat, take it easy. Takahashi, good night. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Everybody else out there in the world of Twitch, thank you for joining me. I'm going to be playing some more of this tomorrow. Hopefully I'll play it a little bit earlier so I can get some more matches in. I think I did pretty well for level 7. For playing like 2 matches, that was pretty sexy. Alright guys. Oh wait, before we go, let's see what I got. Let's see what I unlocked. I don't know what these little symbols up in the corner mean, but that's whatever. We got a new paint. Oh, I can do semi-gloss. That looks awful. Fuck that. What about this one? That looks awful. What about this one? That looks awful. Yeah, no, fuck that. And then we got lowrider wheels. I might actually put those on there. Yeah, there we go. Put those on that one. Yeah. Alright guys, we did well. So yeah, join me again for tomorrow for, I guess we'll play some more Rocket League. That's going to be our thing for a little while. I'm actually kind of happy with it. I might do a little practicing. I don't know. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Alright guys, join me again tomorrow. Have a good night. I will see you all soon. Alright? Peace.